Chicken, you're being nice for once. Crazy chicken. Want some treats? Here, have some.
That was her, right?
The barking sound?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the excitement?
Yep. If I can't contain myself, I get food. Bark, bark, bark. Or the bark, 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 bark.
Smokey
Good chicken.
and Filthy, or her counterpart, were just going at it with Cookie.
Yep. What's that about? What's that about? Cookie? In that bag?
Reddington.
What are you complaining about? There's a bowl of food.
Do you want to sit down and eat, Brownie?
Oh hell, she's actually still there. I thought she got down.
I assumed she would have jumped ship.
This little one. Yep, you got another one.
Oh, goodness.
That's
Which
great.
one?
Princess.
Oh.
Come here, Princess.
Did you get it?
Come here.
Oh, you didn't quite make it?
She got up there, just got turned around. Isa, good chicken. Oh, there goes that one. All right, come here. I'll spill some. Everybody can have some. Cookie, you can pick it up and drop it now. Crazy chicken. Sorry, chicken.
Is that one of Derek's?
No, that's ours.
Okay. I didn't
Let's see,
see
one,
where she
two,
flew from.
three eggers. 4 eggers.
Where did I see Silver a little while ago when I was looking for the rectangle bowls? I don't see her now.
Darky, you're getting covered.
Darky, you are such a beautiful bird.
She really is. Green iridescent things. Hues, whatever.
Yeah, I had to go extremely slow lifting feet up to walk through here. They were all...
Oh yeah, they'll swarm you. Good cookie. Good cookie. All right, well, I gotta end this one. See you all later.